Hey there, welcome to our platform, where we're all about making sustainable living easy and fun. Today, let's dive into a topic that is close to all our hearts and kitchens: ditching plastic in the kitchen. That's right, we are taking a deep dive into the world of plastic-free food storage and showing you how you can make your kitchen both stylish and eco-friendly. So grab your reusable shopping bag and get ready to explore some amazing alternatives to conventional plastic storage solutions. Let's get started. In this video, we'll be discussing why it's important to eliminate plastic from our kitchen, how to go about it effectively, and the various types of plastic commonly found in kitchens and what to replace them with. And if you love what you see here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss any of our videos. So why should we care about kicking plastic out of our kitchens? Well, here's the deal. Plastic waste is a major polluter. It takes hundreds of years to break down, and it can end up in landfills or worse, polluting our oceans and harming wildlife. Plus, certain plastics can leach harmful chemicals into our food, which we definitely want to avoid. By switching to plastic-free alternatives, we not only reduce waste, but also keep ourselves and the planet healthier. It's a win-win situation. Let's start by tackling one of the biggest culprits: plastic wrap, commonly used for storing leftovers or covering bowls. It's convenient, but it's a one-way ticket to plastic waste. Instead, why not try beeswax wraps? These nifty little cloths are made from cotton fabric coated with beeswax, making them a natural and reusable alternative to plastic wrap. Not only are they better for the environment, but they also have antibacterial properties that can help keep your food fresh longer. To use them, simply wrap the cloth around your bowl or container, pressing gently to make it stick. When it's time to wash them, just toss them in the washing machine. They're a breeze to clean. Beeswax wraps are versatile and can be used for more than just covering bowls. They're great for wrapping sandwiches or even creating a neat little pouch for your homemade granola bars. Plus, their unique designs add a touch of handmade charm to your kitchen. Speaking of versatility, let's move on to another essential: plastic bags. Whether it's for packing lunches or storing snacks, plastic bags have been a staple in our kitchens. However, with reusable options available, there's no reason to keep these harmful bags cluttering our kitchen drawers. Enter silicone food storage bags. These nifty bags are not only reusable, but also leak-proof, making them perfect for storing soups, stews, or anything else you don't want to spill in your fridge. And when you need to pack a lunch, simply transfer everything into the bag and seal it tightly. These bags are freezer safe too, so feel free to whip up a batch of homemade ice cubes or freeze some leftovers without worrying about the bag ripping. Cleaning them is a piece of cake. Just pop them in the dishwasher. Plus, they come in different sizes to suit all your needs. Ditch the plastic bags and embrace convenience with these eco-friendly wonders. Now let's talk about those pesky plastic containers that often end up in our kitchen cupboards. You know, the ones with the questionable recycling numbers imprinted on the bottom. While some may claim to be microwave or dishwasher safe, it is always best to err on the side of caution and avoid heating or soaking them for extended periods. These containers, including those labeled as BPA-free, can still pose health risks due to the leaching of other potentially harmful chemicals. The good news is that glass containers offer a fantastic alternative. Glass is a safer choice as it doesn't leach chemicals, retains heat well, and is a breeze to clean. For everyday use, opt for glass jars with airtight lids. They're great for everything from storing rice and pasta to leftovers. And for those times when you need to microwave your food, choose glass containers specifically designed for the microwave. They'll help you enjoy your meals without any nasty surprises. Bulk buying is a fantastic way to reduce packaging waste, but it can also be daunting without reusable bags. Fear not, we've got a simple solution for that as well. Whether you're stocking up on grains, nuts, or anything else in bulk, bring your own cloth bags or jars to the store. If you're new to the bulk section, many stores provide their own bags or dispensers for you to use. But for a more sustainable and personalized approach, consider bringing your own bags. Cloth bags are lightweight, durable, and a great way to reduce waste. On the other hand, glass jars are perfect for dry goods like nuts or grains. They not only keep your food fresh, but also look great in your pantry. Plus, using your own bags and jars often comes with a discount since you are saving the store on packaging costs. So do your part for the planet and your wallet by embracing the bulk section with reusable bags in tow. When it comes to organizing our kitchen essentials, it's easy to rely on plastic bins, drawers, and containers. But did you know that they can potentially expose us to harmful chemicals over time? Bisphenol A, commonly found in many plastics, has been linked to various health concerns. While some products may be labeled as BPA-free, it's wise to remember that there are other potentially harmful chemicals out there.
Yeah.
Instead, why not go for stainless steel options? They're not only free from nasty chemicals, but also highly durable and easy to maintain. Glass containers are another excellent choice. Not only are they safer, but also more hygienic. Plus, their transparency lets you see what's inside without opening the container. And let's not forget about bamboo and wood. These natural materials not only look great, but also offer a sustainable and eco-friendly alternative to plastic. Proper labeling is crucial, especially when it comes to storing leftovers or homemade goodies. While traditional sticky labels might seem convenient, they're not exactly eco-friendly. Not only are they wasteful, but removing them can leave a sticky residue on your glass containers. Chalkboard markers and chalk are a fantastic way to label your containers without the hassle of peeling off old labels. Simply wipe the surface clean and write away. It's easy, customizable, and sure to impress your guests. As we wrap up this exploration of plastic-free food storage, remember that small changes in your kitchen can lead to big impacts for the planet. Say goodbye to plastic waste and hello to a greener, healthier kitchen. And don't forget to share your own plastic-free journey with us. Together, we can make a difference. Until next time, happy zero wasting.